Oh, there's left, dude. Let's popping the show up, you're my home. Welcome back to Asphalt Legends Unite on these episode 194 on Nitro'theBat Takeshi Sato account on PlayStation Network ID, and the leader of the crew or clan, whatever you want to have it, club on DefNation. I got a struggle in here. Oh, holy shit. Already through with DjVolgin account today. Nitro'theBat Takeshi Sato is next, but before we was on DefNation CB account, and in the afternoon actually it will come up to DefNation4Real. The one newest actually account on PlayStation Network ID I have of my, meanwhile, the last 17 years or something. Or what was it again? Let me guess. 2008? 2007? 17 years? Actually, it's on Sony PlayStation, being on PlayStation Network, better say. The last 15 accounts. There's actually kind of 7 accounts still alive. The rest is actually Cheese of Peace. Was not reactivated the last year. And then you just need to start up actually a new account, or because your email address was it calling? Reactivated, activated, or just you not was actually dealing done with that account a long time ago, then they're deleting actually your account. One account was hacked away. That was DefRekka account, very famous actually in this trophy hunting, 13 years long, 800 games actually, and the $75,000 just was going vanquished by this hacker, abusement, better say. Oh, top chat was very fast today. Should work.
Live jam spotty of my playlist here, URL.
Man, it hurts. Getting some deliveries today, but when? When? Huh. Need to watch them first, and they're still coming. Why I'm pressing this button on cell phone and I don't want to go grow up. Ugh.
Hello all.
Why there's no watcher when I'm already online, right? Like all my live streams, I actually have to set it up. It takes a little bit. Kind of a day you live streaming, what's your tags, the name of the game. You wanna insert a picture actually for the live stream, then you save it, then it's saved, then you go back to your YouTube site. It's all the times these 3 to 5 minutes. God, for fuck's sake! Just hand me over the toilet paper for a leg. I really need it. Oh gosh. Why is your son not taking care about that one? My son is actually in the supermarket, in the winery section. Since thousands of years now. He's lost. Since thousands of years. Couldn't bring actually dad's toilet paper. But that's why he's already sitting all the time since 1,000 decades actually on toilet and couldn't actually clean up his butthawk. Butthawk. Need to watch something. Be right back. Let's see what the orders are saying. Something coming up today. The afternoon. Or in the morning time. They already were there. Morgen. Übermorgen. Heute. 5. November. Children Rubber Duck's still there. Send it, but almost soon. I think it's coming in the afternoon then. Okay. Let's get into the daily goal emotions. Welcome back, leader of the club, DefNation. Somebody was telling actually what's my clan name, and since there I always want to say clan name. This is, and I even was make fun of it. They're called club, not clan. You're the leader of the club. Stack different score reputation points in the club seasons. Or, I don't care what they're saying, pass on to your most active club member. Or this, or maybe goes to your pass on to your most, I don't know. And let's see about these reputation points where we are right now to stay leadering this one. But first, scams. Scams. A good scam, look at that. A good scam. Diablo Chichi. A Hurricane Evil Spider. A TDR Griffin. A Maserati Alpine. A Nissan 370 Nismo. And a Hurricane Evil Spider. I have mouth problems, I'm sorry, okay? It hurts on the left side of my jaw and my teeth. I don't know what's the problem is. Cleaned, not rotten, nothing. I don't know what it is. Even I cleaned it yesterday twice. With these spider webs, you know, you're hanging around in your teeth and you can't get it away or out anymore, and oh my gosh, it's a disaster. No wonder then you're bleeding after that session of spider webs in your mouth. It's like kind of shit, you know. Another blueprints. Are we done? So the membership says the reputation for the season, or when we're losing the leadership to DefNation4Real, the newest account that I just created for a couple of 1.5 weeks ago. Cheers. Good night. Seriously? As you saw, actually, in DefNation CPV, it was the last kind of progress to be done actually for a couple of minutes ago, 10 minutes ago. Here we go again. Donating the finest art of wild cards. So what's with these? Sometimes I can grab it, sometimes not. Only DefNation4Real is missing, but nothing happened then. Members only 2 4. I don't know what that means. What is this? Why are you showing us this all the time? Okay. I decimated on DjVolgin account today my 9 million of credits actually to 4 millions to actually get S cars and even 1 D car, the Toyota from D.R.O, into very high passivity actually by 2,500 and ranked by a D car. Holy moly, and that car is fast as shit. So as I was driving before in these DefNation CB account, these Lexus electronic car, what the hell? I was struggling actually seriously by 100 miles per hour to find actually out it feels like a 50 miles per hour as you're driving actually on the screen. That was a weird one. I actually found out that one for a couple of weeks as well, that this car is so slow. And then you're watching actually the kilometers or the miles per hour is like 10 times higher. Yeah. It's not moving the car. Get some claimings to deal done, man. Let me guess. We forgot on DefNation CB actually to claim this stuff as well. Oh well, next day then. Oh, you parked them. Not the one to claim. This actually was not there anymore, so we claimed them already on DefNation CB account. You talk like that. Sorry, these are the PlayStation IDs, you know, I have. These are what I'm actually using for. For my own use and pleasure. I see that was saved by trade coin stuff. Never asked again. But sometimes if you're changing accounts, it asks again and again and again. Oh, that's new. What the hell? Esports series finish line, okay. I can't chain them. Oh, I can join them? I can't join it? It says for 0. Amazing how that works. 10 minutes in the game and already found actually a race for 0 asphalt paint slips. What's it called again? I do not care. I just care. But I don't care. What is he talking about? Same in here, you're driving actually 270 kilometers per hour already. It feels like actually you may be driving 200. Now we're on 373. Forget about it. That not feels like the speed. Yeah, of course. 340 in the corner. Slow down. Let's speed up. Oh my god. Now that's fine. Just fine, the 260. Crashing into the wall. Crashing into the wall. Seriously, you're braking? Car? Laughing out my lungs. Laughing out loud. Laughing out my lungs. Laughing out loud. Laughing out. So L-O-M-L. Ah, my lungs. Okay, fucking hell. That's why it's so broken. What the hell is he talking about? I think he got drunk. Not really. I'm still sober.
Race again.
Why? No. You know that's the option that's a live stream, you can actually shovel your list line actually there, the display line going back, and you can see the race again. You're not live watching them, but you can, why should I race again? Done. What about this one? Not raced yet as well? Hurry, 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 hurry! Yeah. I have a lot actually to be done with that. So 1 hour left, then I'm leaving then. There's a lot of time. The last live stream was a good hour long as well. I did actually all the daily goals. At the other live stream, I didn't live stream because actually I did done that by actually documentary I watched on YouTube. I was doing it on actually at 35 minutes and it's getting actually completely through with all these daily goals. The automatic road. Get up, this crack. I want to drink something, so I'm smoking and drinking and listening to music and pinned on with the top chat, live chat. Something rankist here. Sure. What you doing? What you doing? Struggle.
Casey Ho Mary Jane.
Burn down. Oh my gosh, what the hell are you talking about? Are you okay?
Genki desu. Yar Karajai.
I don't understand nothing, dude. Wahrscheinlich beleidigt ja dich die ganze Zeit. Was für ein Glück.
This car is bad.
are you talking about? It's just a play, it's just verse.
No, I am the worst.
Ja. Tjus auch Kampagne, Stor, bis du es called Post Divnek Schissen. Sake. Look at that, something. You wanna clean? Nah. Put a rotten bones. What is this crap? I see, I'm gonna soon say something. Wurde bestellt, es gibt wieder im Angebot. The hell is that stuff? Oh, it's over. 50% it wasn't DjVolgin account today. Jump ball. Jetzt haben wir ihre Tar. Ich kann schon wieder pinkeln gehen. Geht jetzt gerade nicht. Darf nicht weg hier. Great for sake. What the? Their time is in danger, man. That was hyper. If you play by yourself, it makes fun, and I don't know, it's speedy. If you're just seeing how the car gets actually the douchebag touch drive, it feels like slow. Schauen, ob ich daneben pinkel. So dark in here, I can see shadows on the wall. There's some flimmer in here. Something just moved. Oh, why does it get so warm on my leg? It doesn't feel fine. I need to get out of here. Get me out of here. I can see already dead people. Triple drip drip drop. Doobie doobie doo. Doobie doobie doo. Doobie doobie doo. Boopie doo boo. No rack. Just drift 800 meters, right? All claim. What just happened? Somebody forget Somebody just forgot me to grab a can of beer. Ah, what's with the swallowing today? Which would release me, please? Was it with the D.R.O or C.R again? Yeah, it was. Did it done with an S car, right? Not with an A car. Hold on. I was getting wrong with this stuff. Stupid if, yeah, with the S car. I am get so bored. Trying to never show me up that one with it. Easy peasy. Where is he? I have the bad feeling actually somebody's calling before it's actually 12 o'clock. And then the live stream is over and out. Oh, let it run then. Let it run in your pants. Oh, what? What's that feeling like? Oh man, how you can deep down the beer from a fridge right now on these 5 degrees? No wonder you get actually neck pain, throat pain, tooth pain, brain damaged. Since my younghood, just was brain damaged. The ding. Tschüss, abgefahren, so habe ich sie nicht, du Gold brauchst nicht mehr spielen. Nice struggling. New representation lab in my home. Sucker. Welcome back to the Girls Club. All alive. I was doing there. We got over here struggling today. Nothing pumped up well in here. The Lexus. At 20%? Oh my gosh. We're less in action here. Perfect rounds. What jumper boy? Get them. Wow.
Get those wheels as hot as Phoenix flames!
Whatever you want. What a struggle run! A struggle run. We credited his account actually for this year or something, Halloween 11. Cheer up. Was a lot of struggle. I can't bring it out anymore, I'm afraid. Did it now? Here we go. That is missing somehow in a month. I miss actually playing CarX. There they are. I was wondering myself why I'm so low actually on the Honda Civic Type R with the blueprint. The struggle continues. Is that the Honda? 30, 40 with barrel rolls. We need barrel rolls. No, I just need to get down there. Do your worst, my friend. It's still overdosed. Ends in 22 hours. I think I just did that done last week. So it was Tuesday I was playing DefNation CB account then. That makes sense. Tuesday was actually I played all around actually with these 4 accounts. Makes sense. Okay, continue the wise lecture 40 with barrel rolls. Roll. Shut up, rolls up. Oh.
Crazy! Oh wait, we're just starting, aren't we?
Great fail. Failed. What the hell are you trying to do, done, man? That was the worst. Oh my gosh, that was the worst I ever saw in my life. Yeah, why not? 20k. I tried by the jumping pads actually to go barrel roll mode. Not the first time I tried that and success normally, but that was just low speed. Ah, come on, you've done that stuff again. I'm so hyped. Cheers. Yeah, or use him in a eye.
Let the Euro beat guide you to the finish line. I have high hopes for you.
Bottom up. You by your own. Holy shit. What was actually the barrel roll makers? You really fucked it up. This track actually to make by your own is a disastrous chaos. And somehow I don't know where to go after this jump. I just want to have them. Where can I do barrel rolls? Rolls. Yeah, I think everybody understood what you just talked about. Barrel rolls. Roll the dice. Let's try again, goddammit. So much conflict in here. Yeah, 66, well hell, that. Get cozy in here! Let the AI drive it, man.
Just
so
think
much
of
stuff
it as
in
the autobot. Unlimited speed!
I have nothing to deal done with speed. Oh, come and rescue it! No! What the hell was that? Oh my gosh, we're losing this one again. Oh my gosh, there are the barrel rolls.
I'm mother-tucking hating y'all.
Okay, we have to go to the left and then to the right side. What? Let me see again. I'm an idiot, you know. I'm struggling actually with my dualness. What the hell was that, man? Come on, get me one of these. Oh. Normally, if you're pushing actually the nitro button, sometimes the car goes back to the road. Not this time, homeboy. So what we have to drive? Just catch me out of here. So we have to go. We need to stay okay on the left side. After that jump, I can't go to the right side then. Oh, this is unfair. Ugh. How to do?
What a struggle, man. Oh, my neck.
Yeah.
The struggle continues.
Bakok. 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 You not even beat the record. Oh my gosh. Diverseness continues.
Members of my fat flock always give it their best. So, Jailbird, get in there and win that race!
Should I? There was a twice. Nice. Got it. Come on. It ain't fair. But we did actually twice the barrel roll. There we go. That was my aim. Let's do it again. For the blueprint. Later on. Not another one. Then I have to unlock the car to drive it. What the heck? Dibbidi, doobidi doobidi, boobidi boo. Banana in the atoll. Car sound that the bananas in the atoll. Did I spit? Sure, I did. Somber.
Oh, crazy! Oh
Got
wait, we're
it.
just starting, aren't we?
Somebody. Oh my gosh. What are you doing? Crazy car. Yes. they left. Trust me. Trusting a brain-generated AI, you suck. But hey, what another 10 blueprints. Watch out! So close. Oh man, I just let fall actually in the ashtray my cigarette. Why you made a line, man? Are you fearing the shadows of yourself? Uh-oh, I hate when you have no hands free by peeing actually and your snot is running out of your nose. Mama delicious. Tequila. Brain soup. Okey-dokey. Nonsense in here. Look at that, we open up something in here. Until later, the next day. Hollow light. Oh, I was sleeping. I thought actually I pressed actually the R3. Oh, you can claim on HoloLive something. I forgot. From my last cigarette, and then I went off actually, maybe, when somebody calling earlier from the compound out. For all your struggle, you were supportive and claim something. Onwards to struggle. I got neck pain now. Ah, your cab driver of trust. Sooner or later you will forget that one I just talked about you with this shit. For the future. Locus. What just happened? It just opened up. Why? Listen. No joke. We got the money, y'all. I say the money. Where are we going? Trash can, y'all. twice on it. What a strangle! Puta madre, not yet now. Dios, Dios. Oh, come on. If you don't have a hand free and you have to go actually with the L button or the R button. What about you? Okay, we have a little time, 50 minutes plus. Really on these? I'm gonna get another one. Whoa, thunder outside, holy shit. In research. Tjus, kampanje, så hvis du så du skal brøste i nekskissen. Spim, aufwischt, your decision. Vomit, shitting, bulping. Oh, hello, my mother server.
Okie dokie. Okay.
Oh crap.
Loud.
Another struggle. Must be looking like a fool. I just would follow him, but dang. Rude.
Gain my side doors. Because I claimed actually something from the road.
A side door.
You failed.
Well, not so bad actually. Could be at least. Oh, what's these signs on players? I'm on PlayStation 4 Pro. PlayStation 4 Pro. Is that Switch 2? The other is PC. The other is Xbox. Or is that PlayStation 4? 5? I don't know what these robot sign is there. Is that Switch or something? Oh, it's still driving. Hanging around with itself. Is that some Nintendo sign there or?
I'm in struggle, man.
I know that already since 6.5 minutes ago. My internet's so slow or something today. to the wander out there actually, but it's fun in the rain.
I saw Halloween-11 somewhere on a stream or in game, I don't know, but I remember emoji wide smile.
I'm confessed.
Hey
I'm
DefNation. Inconfust.
What was that? For real.
Sirs, hey there too, Mata.
Happened to you struggle, man. What crap is he talking about? Talk to myself. Sorry, don't worry about that one. I'm always talking to myself. Normally nobody's watching, so that's why I'm talking the most actually on myself. Slimy thin. Here we go. The slow car. If you're thinking it's 100 miles per hour, the car feels like actually you're driving 50 miles per hour. Something's wrong with the vehicle here. Tschüss, abgepeilt, schau, wie sie liest, du kannst diesen nächsten Spiel. Okay. Okay. Struggle continues. So we're already about 240 kilometers, and it feels like actually dropping 130 kilometers. Something's wrong with that vehicle. Cover your trunk. What the heck was that?
There is a concept called airspeed in this game. You can shoot nitro in air to get additional speed. Emoji wide smile.
Be fucked. Be doomed. What's it called? Airspeed in this game. You can shoot nitro in the air to get... Yeah. No, I'm not using that because it's waste of nitro. Because if you come in pumped up into a asphalt again, maybe you saw you can't go left or right anymore. And you just collapse actually into a wall or something. That's why I'm not 90% not using that in the air. Sorry for that one. It's working if you're just having the touch drive on, but not actually when you're driving by yourself on these wonderful console life, you know. Are you cell phoning to someone? Watcher. Can't drive because you're actually watching that stream. Thank you very much for watching your while. And I'm not apologizing for my bad driving. Easy peasy. Who opened that window by that stormy weather condition today? One to go, and the multiplayer is done as well. Air nitro. Mouths. The Wrangler. That's all of them I got, right? More as suck. Yesterday, a month ago, oh gosh. Okay. The struggle continues, my man. Message
In
accepted.
dull boy my men smile.
Son, knee, itch, ray, something bottom us. Knock out there or something.
Let's look at
Car into emotion.
Maybe. Already position 8. You've done nothing in here. My bait. How are you struggling around?
What?
You got my little friend. Completely unsettled.
Oh, come on.
What is the sign on Camaro LT, the driver 5871? Is it like feather light, a Hermes sign? Or is it like the car is going with the wind? What is this? Saying he's actually a little bit cuddling or something under our toes with his feather. What's that?
I am born by Zeus. I'm Hermes. Oh, I was not born by Zeus. Can I get the feather then, please? In remember of actually my addiction of believings. Tickling people's actually. To stay away from me and go to position 1.
I'm standing in front of the toilet. I'm out of actually what I'm talking about in English. Sorry, I'm German Bavarian, that fool. The douche. The dough. The struggler. Rainy day, windy day, construction work failed down. I have to go in a half hour to the compound to drink beer. Because a construction worker leaves us right now. He's 70 years old now. To Poland at Friday afternoon, nighttime better say. He was already drinking in a restaurant with the whole crew. Today and tomorrow in the midday, we just drinking and then leaving again. Yeah, time's ticking, time is running, I know. 11:14, okay. What did it be with 14 years old? Well, I was in a forest or in a hops garden, carrying around actually some wood supplies on my shoulder. So much actually like 50 pounds or more plus.
I was just young. Wasn't that children work?
I love the farm work. My uncle this year was saying the hops work actually continues the next year maybe. What the hell? Since actually more than 8 years he was saying he's actually want to quit. Still doing the hops work. Respect. What the hell? The bank's running from us. How are we doing so far? So, we've done anyway today on this account. Coming back for DefNation4Real in 2 hours. Thank you very much for watching here near while. As this is the third account, actually the last 4 hours now I'm playing through. 2 of them are live streamed. The third one is coming up. The fourth one actually was in the morning time as I was playing a little bbit actually by myself in 35 minutes actually by daily goals. Nice to have that one again. Let's see the clock.
Let's go to the club.
Yay! I thought actually I was strangling around with DjVolgin, but I think this month the club member is getting to the member actually DefNation4Real, my newest account actually in PlayStation Network ID since 1.5 weeks, close to 2 weeks. Let's say 2 weeks. Hanging around since 4 months actually in this game. DjVolgin already have platin, DefNation4B actually struggling. Need for Speed Akeshisato, better say Yunichiro Yamamoto Yunichiro, is going to 40 careers, and then we have platin as well. And then DefNation4B comes up, and in the next 2 months then, until Sylvester actually, the 4-time platin on DefNation4Real, without the Unite Pass on these 3 accounts, DefNation4Real, DefNation4B, Need for Speed Takeshisato account. DjVolgin account was with the Unite Pass, so I was going through 3 to 4 weeks into platin. That was crazy. But I paid twice. Run into the 3 or 4 day, I paid $7. Then it ran out, and I thought, what the hell's going on? I thought actually 30 days, a whole month you pay for $7. So I paid another $10 for the rest of the 30 days. I didn't use actually more. So in 3 to 4 weeks I already got platin getting through. So yeah. I'm still playing actually the DjVolgin account, as you see, 926 season reputation. I just did actually in 2 days. 2 live streams, I mean. Actually, I'm not live streaming on DjVolgin anymore. It's just side-by watching documentary on YouTube account. Or just done something else in my bio here. So, the next 2 hours, 2.5 hours, I'm going to DefNation4Real and just chatting a little bit forward. As we have time here right now, a little bit before I get a call, we just should actually go somewhere else, called career mode. Let's see if we came a little bit forward here, or not. As you see, I already claimed everything in here. As a DefNation4B account and DefNation4Real account, I don't claim anymore. There's a lot of blueprints and a lot of money and asphalt tokens actually waiting for me on these 2 accounts. Well, I want to spare me that. Let's see without the claim stuff on the career mode. Oh, here we go again. Don't claim it. Don't claim it. Don't claim it. Bad boy. Ooh, wow. Okay. Dahlia ride. Stunts 4. We gained. Wanna get some part into that nitro? Lands from urine. Pressed in the sorbet. $30 seconds, 4 stunts, and win the race. Impossible. Let's catch up. Explode that kind of professionality of being a dull boy from Bavaria, Germany. Got him out. Crack. This car is very movable. Yes! Man, I couldn't crash someone. I thought I can win and having the stunts of 4. In the end, I tried actually making a flip of 360. God damn it, I couldn't. I fucked it up. Because how much challenges you win in one race, and once you win 3 of them, you get a lot of credits. My most record was actually on DjVolgin account, 72,000 credits in one race. Only possible actually on this career mode. That's why spare off your claims for the career mode. You get a lot of credits. Don't struggle around the multiplayer mode or daily challenge mode. The daily event mode. The special daily events, you get a lot of money as well. For sake, we need to win in here. $10 minutes left. How far we can go. The struggle.
you all going to hell? Whoa, 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 whoa. Where are we going, sweetie? Man, that was normally the run of the first try. God damn it. But I fucked it up with the fans in Italy. Strong holding. What they're saying actually, not scusi, what they're saying actually if you say get pissed off. Stronzo, here we go. Stronzo. There we go. Could multiply actually all the times for credits. 2 racings, then I'm going to the compound and construction. Win the race, sir. Cheers up, Kampai. Nitro'theBat. Salute, Gold, Prosti, next beam. The last race. Thank you very much to have you guys. You catch us later, actually in 2.5 hours on DefNation4Real, on this live stream on YouTube, on the DefNation4Real PlayStation ID account, let us say. Struggling in here. Spite.
Truck. What a truck life.
Then better watch out.
I was waiting for you.
Just give me your breath. Here we go, that was my breath. Susie. I'm in a hurry. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Catch you later guys for 200, yeah I think it is. Just give me 270 minutes or something, this crap. To show up again here on DefNation4Real account, then on PlayStation Network ID, on this DefNation4Real actually YouTube account. Blah 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 blah. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Oh, fucked it up. There was actually a 56k or something coming up. God damn it! I'm a moron. That was the other name. Dull struggler. Retard. Moron. Okay. Need the struggle here. A little parfum. Name of the ventilation system. Hadouken! I wish there's another hour to complete actually a little bit going forward actually with the progress on the career mode, but well, time run out. Tomorrow is another day in the afternoon. As on the afternoon today, we're coming back anyway. On another account. Far so good. Entering the club. Don't be so mean at us. Alright. Bye bye. Have a nice time. Until in 2.5 hours. Mateka. Mata mata matane.